and welcome back to my channel after very long. So in today's video, the topic is really interesting. Guess what? The topic is DIY craft making a nameplate. So the nameplate can be, put out the door. So I'm going to put it out of my door, or you can do whatever you want to do. So it will be really fun, and I cannot wait to do it. So let us start it. For making a nameplate, all you need is like an A4 size sheet, or you can even take a strip of the paper. I've taken an A4 size sheet and a scissor if you have to do some of the cutting work. A pencil, of course, a normal pencil or a fancy pencil, an eraser. You can even take sketch pens. So I took the brush pens and beside this, the watercolor pens. So now let us start from the A4 size sheet. So first we are going to make the A4 size sheet a strip, because mostly in the nameplate or in a strip. So first fold it how much you want. And now you can cut it from a scissor, or you can even cut it randomly. Now you can choose any of the piece you want to. So I choose this one and keep this one aside. So now here I'm gonna write my name first from a pencil, as if something goes wrong I will do it. So you can write your name in any of the calligraphy. So I'm writing it, and it basically looks like this. I actually like the front of it. And now you can decorate it as you want to. So what I am gonna do is, I have these type of highlighters which says, so these are the highlighters which says Fevicryl 3D neon liners. I'm gonna use them. So this is a pink one. Oh, it's not. So now this is a pipe of it, and I'm gonna highlight the K with it. These are the good colors. So my K is highlighted with it. And now I don't want to do it very much colorful. So I don't know. So I'll take yellow. So I'll make a pattern. A with and Y. I've colored it with yellow. I've highlighted it with yellow, and now pink is on the left. So yellow basically looks like this. It's a bit light for a pencil, and now I'll do it so pink. Alright, so we're done with it. And finally, we're done with it. So it looks like this. It looks like this, and so now we're gonna design it like any type of design you want to do, you can. And so now first of all, we'll let it dry. We'll give it like this is orange color. This just has a shape like a glue, see? So now I'm gonna highlight. Orange seems to be a really nice color. So what I'm doing is I'm outlining the yellow with orange, so that it has a shadow look. And now I'll do green with pink. So pencil drawing. Well, green and pink is a good match shade in this. almost done. Oh, we just keep going. Well. Okay, done. And the last one, A, is a bit of going weird. Well, it's all done. So now it's actually looking like this. Well. This. And so now you can, even if you more design it, you can even design it more, and you can even make flowers from them. I want to make type of lettuce. I want one more pear sheet. Wait, strip lettuce. Well, that now looks good. What should I do? Like this. No, not at all. Well, so front, yes. I want even the ears of it. So we have all the pieces with us, and now we'll sketch it with a permanent marker or any simple marker you have at home. Yes, so our sketching is done. Now we'll have the glue. So I'm sticking it with the fabric glue. Alright, so here we have our horn. We have our horn over here, and finally our nameplate is ready. Like, my nameplate is ready, and basically there was a problem in the heart, so when I'll try next time making the nameplate with these markers, and of course I'll be careful with heart making, it's really tough, while with orange it was really easy. And so this is my unicorn nameplate, and also you can put the nameplate outside the door, and it's gonna look really pretty. So best of luck for making the nameplate, and if you can, so please send me the photo of your nameplate in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video, share it, comment it, and even subscribe my channel. If you want more videos and craft videos, so you should subscribe my channel, and even there is a bell that icon. Put it, select all, means click on it, select all, so that whenever I post a new video, you will get to know that I've posted a new video, and you can see it and enjoy it. So bye, have a really nice day making DIY craft, and meet you soon.